It's like Combine finished it for me. Or no, I
Okay.
think he built it. I don't know. I thought I had one somewhere around here. And there's not much of anything going on in it, but yeah, it's finished. Tell you what, Virginia sure looks like a babe.
Mm-hmm. You are weird.
No, did you just hear her? She
Yeah,
totally
I heard.
agreed.
I heard that through your mic.
Wait, she's not four-legged, she's three-legged.
Yeah.
Doggone it. I could have sworn I saw her looking like a horse earlier and trotting. Clop, 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 clop.
Hey, Homer, there's a cave cannibal out front. Should I kill it? Or just let its head ass stumble around like a buffoon?